Hi guys, I'm teacher. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the channel one reflection upon English language legacy award. Sorry. I'm gonna introduce myself. My name is Andrea Victoria Hernandez. I live in Cucuta, Norte de Santander. I'm 22 years old. I am young. I am the seventh semester of Lillet. My phone number you can see. Well, I feel happy in this semester because I'm gonna share with my friends, Claudia, Myra, Hamilton. So I am feel so great. I know they are very responsible people. So the question, a part of I love learning languages. That is the reason my first time I learning Italy and French. Yeah, I improve my English because I know I need to improve my English. The question number one say why the purpose of this course? I think the main purpose of this course is to improve our skill in speaking and how we can teacher training can improve the speaking skill of our student in our work. Yeah, it's very necessary because I know speaking is difficult when you don't have time or you don't have contact or you have person where you can improve. That is the reason that I think this course is very good. How many learning outcomes can you find in the syllable? I agree with my classmate Myra. I just can't find for learning outcomes. What is cycling interest and tutor? I think our activities are based on interest cycling as a faro, meetings, sky, meet, and so etc. This semester we are going to have more interaction with our tutor because this course have a part of the debate where I gonna explain our idea about what a topic. I don't know. How many activities does the course have? Well, I saw six activities, so I think there are six activities. Um, the question number five: which activity in this course improve real-time interaction? I think they are gonna be triumvirate, which are parking and a wiki mandatory counter debating about the conversion issues, dairy and speed through and a conference system, and number six, summary with only where occur rules and conditions. Where I think the rules and conditions this could help us as a student and teacher can below our two tasks. Uh, because I am a student, but I am a teacher. That is a difficult when you work and you study at the same time. For example, I am working to a school as an English teacher. Myra works in an English institution, Hamilton work too, and sometimes he works in Canada institution where I work sometimes. And Fanny, our classmate, she lives in USA and she works as a nanny. So that is a very good that university is very good for us because we can learn it, we can study, at the same time we can work. And now if any they want say is your institution made work properly? Yes, I think it's worth properly. So this step number two, the number one question say, have you got an English language level certification? If you know what you can say your level is at present. Well, sorry. At the moment I haven't taken an English exam, but I think I am between in B1 and B2. Because I am working at a Canadian institution, its name is Producer. That is the reason that I always learning new word, I always learning idiom, I learning different skill. I can improve my skill in this institution. I think I'm very good, and it's when I speak. Yeah, I know that when I speak, I do some mistake, but I can express my idea. The people can understand everything. Well, the people can understand me when I speak in English. And I am very good when I listening, when I reading, but I little problem. Well, that word is so difficult to pronounce for me. I don't know why. And with the writing, the same way in Spanish. I don't know why, but in Spanish and English, the way that I think I write. That is this is a little worry or is problem that I have. So well, right now I try to improve that. I when I chatted with my boss because he from Canada, always he said me, man, that is not correct. You need to put that. You need to correct that. Yeah, okay, Mister Joe. Yeah, you have a reason why. It's okay. How do you get the level you have now? This is a good question. I started studying English when I was 17 years, and the moment I'm 22 years old. But every day, every day, I try to learn vocabulary, idiom to improve my English, to understand different kind of them. And well, I start learning English because when I was young, I was a purpose when I was a Portuguese course. That's a start my lot to learn languages. I think I do everything possible to have contact with English. And yeah, I don't know why I love to learn different kind of sound. That is the reason that I don't have a standard English. When I speak English, I miss different accent. Why? I don't know. I don't know why my I don't know how my brain works, but it's okay. But yeah, I love when I speak Indian English, Jamaican English. Thank you for that. I have a lot of friends that's this country. And number three, why I study English as a foreign language? I think because I love English, second because I love teaching. Uh, apart of the, I right now I work as an English teacher. You if you are learning or if you improve my English, I'm gonna get better job to better job. Number four, how this study a language and a do different for studying as a child. Uh, well, it's different. Well, it's so different because according to my experience as a young person, uh, I can see it's easier to learn what a top in English when you are younger. Part of this, I can see the children has more facility to learn English or other kind of other languages. uh, but if you ask me if you do can learn English, yes, but they need to put more dedicated. They need to more dedicated because they have unnecessary information in their brain, and because they have less time. How long should you study a foreign language? According to my experience, you should study 2 or 3 hours per day, and for 2 years after this, you need to try looking for scenario people and environment where you can approach your English. In English, well, in English we have two phrases. The phrase number one say practice, practice, practice. The phrase number two say practice make perfect. Well, in other words, is if you practice, you're gonna be more good teacher. You're gonna be more uh, you're gonna be better. Sorry, more no, better. You're gonna be very professional. You're gonna be very teacher. How can you make language learning a part of your life in your future? Well, currently English is made part of my life because I'm working as an English teacher in the morning in a public school and the afternoon at a private school. And I know English is the only way where I can get better life. I work as a teacher or different scenario where you can work if you are bilingual. And how can you organize lifelong language learning? It's a way you are learning English, you need to know something very important. Doesn't matter if you finish university, you need to continue to learn vocabulary, idiom. You need to continue to have contact with different people can speak English, because if you don't practice your English, you're gonna lose. So be careful with that. So guys, thank you for everything. I hope today you understand. Sorry if I did some mistake. I know my English is not perfect, but I try to do the better that I can do. Thank you very much. God bless you.